Hi, I'm Alex. I love to drive, and this is how to make a super snow angel.
Move those arms, make that angel.
Your legs. Move your arms.
There you go, you got it. Keep going.
Bravo!
Okay, sit on your bum. Sit up. Sit up. Reach forward with your hands. Sit up.
And that was how to make a super snow angel.